Oo nga, diba? Umuwi ka na, babe.
Oh,
Paano yun?
bawal
Sige
talaga.
na. Trabaho
Nangyari
naman
nito,
siya, oh.
naglulog na yun eh.
Work tayo dito, oh.
Sige, nangyari niyan.
Landat ka?
Ate, ba't minulto ata itong cellphone na to? Yeah.
Ano? Huwag na lang. Ang sweet nyo naman.
Upo lang.
Ang sweet naman. Upo ka dito.
Ikaw, umupo ka dyan. Alam gusto niyo paano magbenta si Piang? English yan. Di marunong magtagalog yun.
Grabe talaga. Sige nga. Sige nga.
Sampulan yan.
Kakaiba talaga to.
Two.
Yeah. Okay, guys. What the heck? What the heck is this challenge? If you don't have enough money, don't worry, Therese is here.
Tourists will provide you guys.
Yeah, correction. Piang Smith.
Go to daddy.
Meow, say.
Dahan-dahan lang nahulog.
Ano? Ito sa lips. Ba't tibay mo? Baka sabi niya. Oh, kiss sa lips daw, JP dyan!
Boy!
Kiss sa lips! Di ba? Ah, sige pa! Wow, kanina ko talaga ito.
You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when you find someone who hears you. Find someone who loves the things you say.
Siguro, the way na magkasama po kami everyday, siguro doon pa lang naman po.
Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you.
Kita ko talaga yung kamay ni Piang, umawak muna sa gilid ni JM hanggang hawakan yung kamay.
Komportable po kami sa isa't isa. At wala naman din po ako nakikita na any problem para hindi ako maging komportable sa kanya.
Kinilig ka? Na proud ka?
Hindi, parang yumabang lang
Ay,
ganyan. Gusto niyo po ba marinig kung paano siya mag-TikTok?
sure ka ha? Eh maraming gustong sumingit ha? Diba? Oo.
Yun ay kung makakasingit.
Ay,
Wala na makakasingit.
ay!
Mayabang na naman ho ako nito.
Oo.
Wala, bawal.
Time after time after time I've tried to fight it. Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone.
Ulit pa.
Selfie!
Ready?
Okay, mo kayo. Ano kayo? Selfie! Selfie!
Huwag ganun ka para maramdaman mo.
Yes!
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Selfie!
Ah.
Ito yun na. Yun! Selfie!
Ready? And 3, 2, and.
Selfie!
Ayan. Bukalik. Ready? And.
Yes, I can be addicted,
Selfie!
even when it's awful.
Okay.
Easier than committing.
Gawa tayo ng okay, tapos gawa tayo ng ay,
Just face you might be missing.
okay, parot na lang. Parot kayo mo na yung mga gabi. Ready?
Yeah, like.
All of the broken pieces out of place.
Ay.
Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me.
Ay.
You'll never truly be alone.
Parang neck.
It's okay to
Alright.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find
Yan.
it's okay to ask for help.
And cut! Good. So, see that? Diba?
Isa pa?
Okay, ready? Okay, direct. Ito po yung ano ha. Guys, until you hear yun, don't change your expression. Kailangan takot pa rin kayo. Pag sinabi ko yun, saka lang kayo mag-change. Okay, ready? Camera set? And roll cameras. Ready? 3, 2, and action! Ayun! And cut! Okay, back. Stand up.
FT ulit. Mas malala pa nga dati sa paa eh.
Kailangan natin sabihin yung yun. Okay.